Enabling Paddle subscription management is a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage your recurring payments and subscriptions. To start, you need to have a Paddle account and a product set up with a recurring pricing model. First, log into your Paddle dashboard and navigate to the product for which you want to enable subscription management. Click on the product and then select the pricing plan you want to manage. Next, scroll down to the subscription settings section and toggle the subscription management switch to the on position. This will enable Paddle's subscription management features for your product, including automated recurring payments, trials, and expiration notifications. Once subscription management is enabled, you can configure additional settings such as trial periods, grace periods, and expiration actions. For example, you can set up a trial period that allows customers to try your product for a limited time before being charged, or configure a grace period that gives customers a few days to update their payment information before their subscription is canceled. To test your subscription management setup, create a test subscription by going to the Subscriptions tab and clicking on the Create Test Subscription button. This will allow you to simulate a real subscription and verify that everything is working as expected. Best practices for using Paddle subscription management include regularly reviewing your subscription settings to ensure they are up to date and aligned with your business needs, monitoring your subscription metrics to identify trends and areas for improvement, and using Paddle's webhooks to integrate your subscription data with other systems and tools. By following these steps and best practices, you can efficiently manage your recurring payments and subscriptions with Paddle and provide a seamless experience for your customers. Enabling Paddle subscription management is a key step in streamlining your revenue operations and growing your business.